Hey guys, it's me Harshan. Welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. Today I will be showing you how to make a spicy paneer burger which will taste exactly like the McDonald's McSpicy paneer burger. So do give this recipe a try and enjoy. Let's get started. The ingredients that you will require for the batter are 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chaat masala. You can also use raw mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder. You will also need 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and half tablespoon of coriander powder, along with 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and you will also require some breadcrumbs for breading. For the tangy mayonnaise, you will require about 1 cup of plain eggless mayonnaise and about 2 to 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and you will also require some paneer. First, we will prepare our mayonnaise. For that, we will add in our tomato ketchup into the mayonnaise. And then give it a thorough mix. If you want, you can also add some finely chopped garlic or some green chilies. And our tangy mayonnaise is ready. Now we will make our batter. So first, into a mixing bowl, we will add our flour, along with the corn flour, now we will add in our ginger garlic paste, the green chilies, followed by all the other spices. Now with a whisk, we will mix it. And gradually add some water to make a slurry out of it. And our batter for coating the paneer is ready. Now we will coat our paneer into the batter and then in the breadcrumbs. I have cut the paneer into these, I'll say 1/2 inch thick slices so that it will be our patty. Once it is all coated in the batter, take a few breadcrumbs in one hand, shake off the excess, and then keep the paneer on the breadcrumb bowl. Sprinkle and then gently pat it so that it gets stick to the batter. Now gently flip it and keep coating. It is all completely breaded, and now it is time to deep fry it in oil. I had already heated some oil in a pan and now I'm gently going to drop it and then fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it turns golden brown in color. Finally, the wait is over. Now you only need to assemble the burger and then just gobble it up. Here I've taken a toasted sesame bun. I have lightly toasted it. You have to keep the paneer patty on the bottom bun and apply some of the tangy mayonnaise that we prepared on the top bun. If you want, you can also keep some sliced tomatoes and onions on this bun right now. I just don't prefer it. Now we will place some iceberg lettuce on the paneer patty and then flip the top bun and then gently press it. I am serving the burger as a classic combo with French fries, which I had already fried, and with that I'm going to be serving some ketchup. And your spicy paneer burger is all ready. That was my version of McSpicy Paneer Burger. If you like it really spicy, then I would suggest to add a few more green chilies in there. Don't forget to make it because I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'll be posting a lot of pictures on my social media handles, for which all the links are in the description box below. Don't forget to check those out too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share it with your friends and family. I'll be see you guys soon. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.